for the world to see what I can offer, and I figured that this is the time for me to shine and give my informational service and let everybody come in at the pre-market prep and watch me do my live videos every morning and give them the direction that I feel that things are moving. And sometimes it's right, sometimes it's wrong. It's just we want to be right more than we're wrong.
Disclaimer: Elite Trading is for educational purposes only. The alerts given are not one-way tickets to be a millionaire. Discretion is advised.
They want to hit a base hit, they hit a base hit or a home run. Sometimes that home run makes up for the next 10 hits, but at the end of the day, you want to just hit those base hits. That's all it's about every day, and that's what I do. And that's how we became successful. And now we're just wanting to share that success and let everybody else gain something that they don't already know. Now it's time for the world to see what I can offer, and I figured that this is the time.
Wow. Good morning, fellas and ladies. I'm sorry. I guess that we just noticed that the volume was down from the original stream there. So I do apologize. Go ahead and let's make sure that we tell everybody to skip to about 4 minutes in. And I apologize for that, guys. So I'll kind of go over what I was talking about again. And we will have it recorded for you afterwards. So I just want to let everybody know to skip to 4 minutes real quick. for audio purposes. I do apologize. So what we were talking about is that we have institutional traders and they're controlling the market right now. They're putting some stocks in a large consolidation period. You've seen the Microsofts, the Facebooks, the Apples. A lot of stocks that were running the show are not participating. And we are wanting to make sure that you guys understand that these things can happen drastically right now. There's going to be a 25% drop or a 3% run in the next few weeks. We've been calling out 5 weeks, so that's what we put in our group. We think 5 weeks from now, you're going to see a significant pullback because we're sitting overhead at 25% right now. We're 25% floating above a huge gap. And when you're looking at a 200-day moving average and you see that we are at these certain periods of consolidation at the top here, and it's looking for a nice pullback. And if you don't know what that means, if you don't know what 200-day moving average is, look it up. Google it, YouTube. There's plenty of sources out there. You don't need me or us to learn about that. But if you want to go into more information and actually dive into it and analyze it with a group of people and talk about what these indicators mean and what they do, well, we have opinions on that and we can help you out. So if you are interested in trying to learn about why we see indicators, how we see indicators, what we're looking at, what information we have streaming into our software to tell us what we need for a trade, or whether they're giving us insider activity, they're giving us low float, we have high volume indicators. You know, there's a lot of things that are coming in that are saying, hey, this is about to make a move. If you're looking at the RSI, if you're looking at the MACD, if you're looking at all these different things and you put the Bollinger Bands and you put the price action and you see the volume and you see the volatility, you know that it's at the top. It's never been at this level before. It's breaking all-time highs. The news is coming out. They're talking about it. Those are the things that might drive you towards a certain position in a stock. But I want you to be careful, and that's what the whole point of today is. Corrections are coming. You're going to be looking for some of these SPAC companies to fill the gaps below. They've run up 15, 1600%. They're not going to last forever. Things don't go up forever. We also are looking for the laggards. What's been sitting back? What's been in consolidation, not moving, and can potentially make another run because they were a strong stock before all the hype came out. Well, when the hype comes out, then they're going to go back into safe money. So safe money is where you make money. Be careful and don't get caught up in the FOMO. So let's go ahead and pull up some charts here for you and get started on a little bit of some mapping for you. All right, so we are going to be looking at CCL. So we found this strong support level here at 1981. It hit the 1981 on the close, and then boom, it's instantly up 27 cents. Not a huge big rally or runner there, but look for some support on these cruise lines, reopening stocks, the AALs, and those are what we're looking at. So that's a period of consolidation that we liked. So if it was to hold this level here, we'd like it to the upside, target $24 to break through and get you to another level. So this would be the first target right here. Sorry, that would be the second target. My first target would be right about here for a quick partial. So you could go from here, partial, and then look for the rest to run for you and make money on profits that you've already taken back the money that you initially invested here. That's the idea, is you want to try to get in and then take some profit, get the initial investment away, so you're now fully invested with the market's money, and let that money go to work for you and move up without any risk involved. So that's what we got there. We've been talking about SRAC since they were under $10. They're now at up 60 cents in the pre-market, up another 3.38%, closing at $17.75, trying to break that all-time high. Did make an all-new high yesterday. So I wouldn't short any stocks making all-new highs, but if you're not in this one, I wouldn't be jumping in right now because you've already missed the party, and I would wait till it breaks through this level and starts to make a new high towards the $20 range before I would enter. Lots of volume coming in. It was all piling in here before the run-up, and then it slowed down. Came in, piled up, came in, piled up. Now, maybe some consolidation, and then another run to 20 by maybe possibly February or March. Apple. Big old Apple there. So, you know, I'm long Apple. I think it's one of the safest plays out there. I think that it is, 25 to 30 times over price to earnings, but you're not paying a crazy valuation for Apple at this point. But that being said, could there be a drawback to this level? Can we find some pullback to get in again? I don't know, but it does look like they want to make a move down. And now obviously these are before the pre-split, so that's the numbers that you see there though are where we're at now. So when we do that right here and you see the same thing, I think you're going to possibly see 145-ish, all new highs in the 140s, and then a pullback to 123. So 140 to 123, get a $20 pullback. I mean, it's possible. So this pullback would probably take place all the way until March though, or April. So you're talking, in my mind, my opinion, run up here, pull back, run up. So that's the chart that we have today. We don't have a newsletter this morning. We had a tragedy happen with one of our members. He had something happen in his life, so he took the day off, and we have some traders that are on the holiday. We have some of our members that are in the group talking, chatting. They'll be trading today. Winfred will be in there today, I'm sure. And Ben, I'm sure, will be in there. Blake will be in there. I'll be in there. And we'll be trading with you. So if you want to join the group and you want to learn with us, all you have to do is grab the link in the comments below, and then we will get you guys signed up, ready to go with our trading team. And what we're going to do is teach you about how to be a retail trader turn to a amateur trader, and possibly give you some tips and tools and ideas that'll help you grow and be able to join a team of people that are like-minded, that have some opinions that might be profitable. Stay in the green, my friends. My name's Kaylor, and if you haven't been a part of Elite Trading, smash that like button. If you have been a part of Elite Trading, smash that like button. If you're anybody else, smash that like button and share this, please, and let people know about us. Appreciate you guys. Stay blessed. Have a blessed day, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the chat.